students. Today we're going to work together to draw a picture. I did this picture already of a pony, so I'm going to show you how to draw this picture. While you're getting your supplies, you need a piece of paper, a pencil, some markers, maybe some crayons or colored pencils. So get those supplies together and then we'll get started.
Alright, you have all your supplies together? Alright, this was the picture that we're going to work on drawing, a little pony. So you're going to need your pencil. I'm going to use Sharpie so that you can see what I'm drawing. As you're drawing, if I get ahead of you, you can just pause the video, rewind it, redo it if you mess up too much. So, you know, you're on the good side. You get to start over if you need to. But I'm going to try to do it all straight through. Alright, I noticed on my picture when I drew it the first time, I had it off to the side a little bit, which is okay. I was thinking maybe you could add a barn or something over here on this side. So I'm going to make it so it's a little bit offset to the side so you have room to add some details on the side here. Alright, so what we want to do is, like, near the middle of your paper here, we're going to draw a big circle. This is going to be for our pony's eye. Alright, in the top corner of this circle, we're going to draw another circle. And then we're going to draw a smaller circle on the bottom here. Alright, and then you'll want to color in the eyeball. Right here. Okay. Alright, now we're going to draw his nose. So we want to start near the circle of his eye right here. We're going to go out in a big U shape, and when we come back around, we want to leave more of a space on this side. So just watch. Curve down, around, and then back to right here. Alright, so it's closer at the top, further down at the bottom. Alright, and then we're going to just curve it up a little bit right here so it's kind of like his jaw right there. Okay. Oh, and then one thing I forgot on the eye, if you want to, you can add a little eyelash right here, sticking out like that. Okay, we need to give him a nose. We're going to do a little line right here. Alright, kind of directly under the line right here, we're going to write a letter J. It comes down and curves like that. Okay, then we're going to go back up to the top, and right here we're going to draw one ear right here. Okay, and then we're going to do a curve for the inside of the ear. Alright, and then we're going to do sort of an S line right here for the hair out over his head. Maybe just do a little curve that way. Alright, and then we're going to go back, down like that. Alright, now to make it a little more three-dimensional, we're going to draw the other ear on the other side. Just draw part of it, so it's a little triangle right here. And then you can draw a little line right there again. Okay, we're going to go down here, we're going to draw a leg. So I'm going to draw a straight line down, kind of flare it out a little bit at the bottom. And then start here, we're going to do that and just kind of get a little bit wider down the bottom. Alright, curve to connect the bottom, and then we're going to make the hoof right there. So that's one leg. Alright, and then we want to show the other leg, so we're going to start right here, kind of trace that down, but we want to stop a little bit shorter because it's, you know, on the back side. So just stop right there, I'm going to do a little curve, and then the other hoof right there. Okay, starting up here at the top now with this, right where this ear is on the side right here, we want to draw kind of a curve that comes down and stops right there. That's going to be for his neck. I'm kind of running out of room right here, so we'll see if we can get all this in. Alright, we're going to just go back up here to the leg, and we're going to draw a little line that comes across and then back up like that. So it's going to be kind of for his belly right there. Alright, and then we want to draw the curve of his back. So we're going to draw a curve around and down like that. Actually, this can come down a little bit further. All right, and then we're going to do a little hook right there. All right, and then this is going to go down for his leg, his back leg. All right, and then starting right here, you're going to do a little hook this way, a little curve that way, and then go down and just have a little flare out at the bottom. Curve the bottom for his bottom of his hoof. Another curved line there. Alright, and then we're going to draw the leg on the back here, so we're just going to trace beside this curve, go down, stop a little bit shorter, curve it in, and make that hoof right there. Okay, so we're almost done. We just need to do the mane on his back of his head, and then also his tail, which I kind of ran out of room here, so you're going to have to improvise a little bit when you do yours. Alright, so you can do an S curve that goes up like that. Looks like he's got one hair stuck on his head. Okay, we're going to go down, and then down. So yours doesn't have to look exactly like this. You can kind of do your own thing with the hair, however you think you'd like it to look. Alright, so that's make it connect to his back here. Alright, and then the tail, we're going to do a big curve up like this, back down and out. But I didn't get to do that because I ran out of room. Okay, and then we're going to do a little bit of a zigzag, like that, and connect back to the back of the horse right here. Okay? Alright, and then we're going to just add a little line right here for the ground. So just draw a line right here, like this. Do some grass. Maybe he's going to eat some grass. Alright, you could do sunshine up here at the top. And then you can add any other details. If you want to draw a barn in the background, you could do that. Or just maybe part of a barn, so it looks like he's walking toward the barn. So you decide how you want to add other details. And I'm not going to color this for you, but I'm going to just show you my picture again. This is how I colored my horse. If you want to color your horse differently, maybe you want to use bright colors, you can do that. Or maybe you want to do like I did, you can do that too. Alright, I did use some crayons and some markers together. And I noticed here I forgot to color in his ear. But anyway, so you can add some more details to your picture. I didn't want to draw a lot of details because I want you to come up with your own ideas and see what you can do. So hope you have fun with this. And when you're done, post your results on Seesaw and show me what you got. Bye!